I need to make the tripod head mount. I want one that has a fluid ball head. In this case I take a round knob from my drawers and other two metal components. These are brass pipes. You find all the links to buy them online in the video description here below. So this is a 1-inch connector pipe, and as you can see the round knob stays perfectly inside. This is a great thing so that I can have a very fluid and secure mount for my camera. So I need to fix it on top. I will take the other brass connector and I can mark with a marker the top part so that I can cut it later. So mark it here on top, very precise, and now with a metal saw I can cut it very easy. This is brass, so cuts very fast. And after 5 minutes this is the result. We got a very shorter pipe, and this is very important to keep it all flat. So let's connect everything together, but now this doesn't fit very well, so it's just a matter of marking with a marker the shape of this round component, and then taking a metal file I can file away the base of the knob. After a couple minutes this is the result. We pass from 3 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters wide base of the knob, and now I'm sure that can fit perfectly inside. We can secure it, everything together, and now it's free. As you can see, the head can move. Once we secure the base, we secure it and we fix it in place. Now it's free and now it's locked. Now again we open it, it's free. We can place the camera where we want and we can lock it again. I guarantee you this is a very secure fixture. Now let's take this. This is a fast connector for tripods for my camera. I secure it on top of the ball head, and now it's just a matter of screwing the thing on the base, and now everything is very sturdy and doesn't move and doesn't shake. Now let's take a lamp. This is a classic lamp. You find a link also of this one in the video description below, and this is a stainless steel lamp, so it's very strong. Remove the cables because I want it to be very light, and also need to remove the front part, so the lamp cover. There is a little screw that I can take away, and now I can work much easier on the piece, on the component. So I need to remove this very big light cover. I will use my screwdriver to do this, and now I'm very lucky because the dimension of the lamp holder and the dimension of the 1-inch pipe connector is almost the same and fixed together perfectly. As you can see, it fits right on top, and I can secure it again very strong with the original screw here on the left. And now this is how it looks like. Everything is connected, the tripod mount also, and now it's just a matter of reconnecting everything again together to the lamp base. Secure everything very firmly and make sure that all the knobs are strong enough to keep the weight of the camera. So this is a good idea to add some weight on the base so that it doesn't fall over once we put a very heavy camera on top. So gym weight is very good. So